Hey everyone, it's Anna from Audiologic. This week we're going to talk a bit about beam steering loudspeakers. You may have heard this term thrown around a lot, and this type of loudspeaker is becoming increasingly common in all kinds of applications. So how does beam steering actually work? To learn more about this technology, I'm here in Nürtingen, Germany to pay a visit to Fohhn, who are the experts in beam steering. Fohhn have been making beam steering loudspeakers for 15 years and today have the widest range of products with this technology on board, suitable for all applications. The latest addition to Fohhn's range is the Focus Slim, from as small as 70 centimeters up to 2 meters. This ultra-compact array is suitable for many sized rooms, from conference rooms to small lecture theaters. Plus, these units ship with both analog and Dante inputs. Since 2009, the Linea Focus range has become the industry standard for beam steering and suits many kinds of applications with their 4-inch drivers. In this range, there's 4 models, each available in a Dante, AES, or analog option. There's the 130, 230, 330, and 430, each measuring 1.3, 2.3, 3.3, and 4.3 meters. The longer the array, the better the control over the low frequencies and better coverage over distance. They're ideal for universities, houses of worship, and any acoustically challenging space you can think of. For theaters and concert halls, the Focus Modular is the ideal scalable solution, offering exceptionally musical tone in a compact size. Currently installed in Europe's largest opera house, the Opera Bastille in Paris, these speakers are perfect when you want to let the venue shine. And for large-scale venues and touring, there's the Focus Venue, the largest modular beam steering system in the world. Before we get started, I've made a venue in Fohhn Designer, a web-based platform allowing for acoustic simulations of their loudspeakers in any given space. This not only lets me optimize the loudspeaker, but allows us to compare different concepts seamlessly. We often use this platform to generate reports for our clients to visually demonstrate proposals. Designer is especially useful for acoustically challenging spaces, as you can virtually listen to audio tracks in any given location in your venue. Beam steering makes it possible to guide the sound dispersion of the loudspeaker systems without having to tilt them mechanically. But as for the technology behind that, I think I'll get some help.
Well, fortunately, it's not rocket science, Anna. These loudspeakers are in a line array format, with many drivers stacked on top of each other. As with any such line source, this results in a directional dispersion pattern. What makes beam steering systems special, however, is that each of these built-in speakers has its own amplifier and DSP channel. By changing the levels and delays of the individual channels, the parameters of the beam can be changed.
The sound beam can be tilted or directed upwards by up to 40 degrees, and the beam opening angle can be selected between 0 and 90 degrees. An additional toggle in the software suppresses unwanted side lobes and the resulting reflections effectively. The acoustic center can be moved along the entire length of the line. This can be an advantage if there's a lecturer with a microphone in front of the system. Moving the center upwards provides exceptional gain before feedback. Balcony or gallery requiring sound reinforcement, Fohhn enables you to add a second beam that can be controlled separately without affecting the first. So there you have it, an introduction to beam steering. As you can see, it's not rocket science, but if you'd like to learn more about beam steering, Fohhn's product portfolio, or if you'd like to request a demo, please get in touch. We're always happy to help. We'll see you next time.